Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are here to style up some beautiful sweaters we think are great for the cottage.
Welcome lovelies. Well, I have seldom gotten so excited for a sweater.
Yeah.
A sweatshirt sweater.
Sweatshirt, yeah.
But this is high-end sweatshirt we're talking about, lovelies.
Yeah,
And
nice fabric.
Nice fabric, beautiful design, amazing colors. So
very artsy and fun. I think you ladies are gonna love them. We kind of put a spin on it because it is smack dab in the middle of cottage country time.
Yeah.
Everybody's at their cottages. And we just thought like this is so cozy, but then you can wear it through the fall, winter, all year really.
just hunkering down sweater.
And they're funky.
And funky.
Funky. Look at us in our funky Lousje Bean,
Really?
ladies. We
Yes.
are black and white and
that's
white and
right.
black.
Wow. We sometimes don't style together, so we're always surprised to see what
The other comes
what
up
the
with.
other comes up with, but we're matchy kind of.
Yeah,
Same colors.
yeah.
Beautiful, eh? What you're wearing?
Oh yes. Oh my goodness, ladies. This is the
can't say
new
enough
dot.
about Lousje and Bean A-line.
Just came in. Selling out. Oh my goodness. We probably really have to make more. And the rose sweater from Grisa's, which we've been loving. And Lousje has on the Harlem dress.
And equally adorable.
Yeah, which is in our summer sale actually, ladies. We have a few left and we also have the blue fabric as well, which is gorgeous.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice light fabric, eh?
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely summer dress.
Yeah. I like how you paired it up with the red.
Yeah.
Yeah, really cool.
Little pop of red.
So she's got Ziska little cuties. I think this is the last pair, ladies. And,
Really?
yeah. And then the red Ziska pop.
Beautiful bliss.
And I have on Soriglio
Yeah.
and Majestic. I thought it was beautiful. I wanted to have a scarf, but it's still a little warm today, so this is
And-
perfect.
oh, yeah,
And
these
then these earrings, yeah, from
They
Soriglio.
make a statement. Huh?
Don't they? Yeah, they really do. But yeah, so we're gonna style up these sweaters for you tomorrow, so watch out for that. But first we have to show you them, so hopefully you like them as much as we do. But this is Paper Temples. It's a woman, an independent designer who screen prints and does all the artwork on the clothing. So we have some sweaters in the boutique still that we got in the beginning of the season. Now this is our sort of fall drop, and Lucia's like, just get after it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking in the box and I'm seeing the colors, and you're seeing Eileen's color.
Yes. First one to
All
pop
right,
out.
here we go, ladies.
Oh,
we
my.
have beautiful chartreuse.
So cute.
And look at the swing of this. So this is
Yeah.
100% cotton, a beautiful, nice French terry sweatshirt fabric. And this sweater comes actually two sizes. So this is extra small, small, medium, as you can see the swing to it. And then it comes in a large, extra large, extra large. But it's absolutely beautiful on. We're gonna show you some pictures of us wearing them just so you can see the drape of them. It's got a hood,
Great hood.
high-low, and so funky.
You know what makes it so funky too is that this is a double hand.
It's heavy.
Meaning, you
weighting
know,
it.
it's two-sided and it's heavy.
Weighting it down, yeah.
So that's how it makes it.
And if you can see, Mom, as she screen printed it, she's put some other
Yeah.
green color through it, so the
Yeah.
zippers are faded.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, I thought it was such a cool sweater in that
I can't wait
hoodie.
to
And
start
then
it.
here is a red one, ladies,
Yes.
with the pockets design on
Yes.
there. So a bunch of black pockets, super cool.
Super cool.
And a beautiful red.
Blue red.
Blue red, which will look stunning on. We cannot wait to style these up for you tomorrow. We just thought, imagine sitting on the dock, the perfect sweater. You would be the talk of the town. You would.
Yeah.
Talk of the lake.
The
talk of the lake.
lake. That's right. Oh, the lake
Oh my goodness.
communities. They're so funny.
So funny.
Yes.
And then here is a smaller cut, a little finer cut
More
here.
fitted, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but lots
Fitted.
of room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But feel that fabric,
Oh, yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Isn't that? It's perfect.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
new to
New
us.
merchandise.
Yeah.
So unfinished hem,
pockets,
which I like
basic.
too.
Yes.
You know? Kind of
Absolutely.
funky.
Yeah, really cool.
Great.
That'll be beautiful. That would look good over this, actually. All right, and the last style, ladies, which I think you're gonna love, is the polka dot print. So, and this is a different style sweater. Again, nice and boxy and roomy. Why are you laughing? You're laughing at me. And it is a one size. So there you go.
Yeah.
This one is a one size and nice
And it's got slits. It's got. I want to show something.
Sorry. Well, I know.
I just wanted to show the border, which is a nice rib knit, and it has slits on the side, and it's equally waisted down because of the border weight, right?
Yeah.
Which is important.
Very
it's
important.
Nice.
But
how are the cuffs? Oh my goodness.
Cool. And look, she's screen printed right through.
Right.
So how cool is that?
Yeah.
And like off print, so it's like very dabbled. Yeah, beautiful rib collar.
It's so funny. You keep on putting it in front of my face.
I know. Well, we only have from here up
my
though.
goodness.
I zoomed it in like this.
Next one.
One more, last but not least, ladies. We did that one in white.
Love white.
I know, I can see Lousje in this.
Yeah,
hey?
yeah, love it.
Very cool.
Love.
Oh, these sweaters are so beautiful.
You just want to put one
Scrumptious
on, find a book and curl up on the couch.
Yes,
That's what it is for.
As you can see, you can wear these through all year.
For sure.
It's just going to be your funky go-to.
For sure.
And watch out tomorrow, because
think of the gym. Your throat is over, you know, when you go to the gym and you need something over your tight Lulus. Right?
Oh yeah, that too. Yeah, yoga class in the morning when you go.
Totally.
Absolutely. There you go. You're always thinking.
Always thinking.
Lousje's gonna style these up for you.
Yes, because Glenn and I were invited to a cottage from his friend from university, and they stayed friends all this time, and it's a close friend to Glenn, and I really liked him and his wife. Anyway, we spent a few days there, and we had a great time, and I would have loved one of these sweaters.
Yeah, would have been cool. So watch out tomorrow, ladies. Lousje's gonna style these beauties up for you and talk about her time away at the cottage.
With some pictures.
Yeah. All right, ladies, we hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And keep on smiling.